Good morning. It is Thursday, January the 28th, about 7:10, about 49 degrees. It's supposed to rain today, but I think we're going to go to town. We just cleaned the fireplace and got it ready to go. We're on our way to town. We're going to get breakfast, pay the truck taxes, stop at the bank, and get a few groceries at Walmart. That's it. My driver's got on a different hat, so I won't be able to find him in Walmart because it's not orange. Here we are, turning into Hardee's. And we're here. It's 9:10 and socializing is over. Here at the dry cleaners. Larry's got a pair of dress pants he needs cleaned. It's supposed to rain all day today. It's right next to Hardee's, so it's convenient. Open 7:30 to 5:30. Monday through Friday till noon on Saturday and closed Sunday. Now we're here at Save-A-Lot. That's right, we're at Walmart. Just cruising around the parking lot. Oh, there's one coming out.
Is that handicap?
Nope.
It's awful close though. Yeah, see how people park there. I'd rather go right here. That other one, you go by, you can see how close they're parked in the lines.
Yeah, don't want to get any dings in our nice red truck. Our 2001 that we just paid the taxes on. We're back here at the bank. On our way home, shopping in the rain. Ended up getting a few more groceries than I planned on, but that's normal. We ate breakfast with Ted, Barbara, and Billy, and Joe, and Al, and Bruce, and Jimmy. Test 1, 2, 3. I'm trying out my new monopod camera stand. Maybe it'll make my videos less shaky. I'm hoping. This is the stand that I was using. Now there's the new one. And it's adjustable. I'll try it out and see how it works for a while. I learned trying to grill 2 grilled cheese sandwiches in a small skillet at the same time doesn't work. They only half fry. So I took it down to 1. There's the one after I put 1 at a time. And there's lunch now that it's done.
Salt and vinegar.
Salt and vinegar potato chips. Well, Ted and Barbara came over and played canasta. And I wasn't last this time, but I wasn't first. Larry won again. He likes to win. We all like to win. Good night. God bless.